It's every dog's favorite holiday, Pupsgiving. These pups are waiting to fill their bowls and bellies. Even the little ones are ready to puppy chow down. Here come the guests. It's time to eat. They're chewing the stuffing out of this turkey. Literally. Hey, drop it, drop it. Make a wish. Do you think he wished for another bone? Woof! The turkey's not the only thing that's stuffed. Time for a cat nap, dog nap, horse nap, and a nap. Anybody want to take home a doggy bag? Anybody? No? Okay. When's dessert? Happy Thanksgiving from the Chubby Puppies and friends.